In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a custom metric on the Segwise Creative Analytics dashboard. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the Edit Table button right here. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a variety of dimensions, tags, and metrics that you can add to your report. We're aiming to create a custom metric, which is essentially a derived metric using all the metrics that you already have available. Let's go ahead and name it Custom Metric 1. For today's example, I'm going to create a cost per click metric. To achieve this, we'll be working with two specific metrics, clicks and spend. You should notice that each of these metrics has a letter next to it, with A representing clicks and B representing spend. To create the custom metric, we'll calculate it by dividing B by A. Since this metric represents a cost, you'll want to set it as a currency type. After setting it to currency, simply click on Save. Once you do that, you'll see a new column in your report that displays the cost per click for this specific report, and that's all there is to it. It's really that straightforward.